In this video, I will show you how to plant seeds in Lego Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, there's a few things you're going to need first of all. The first thing you're going to need is a shovel. So you can get this from your crafting bench. If you just come across to the crafting bench and underneath your tools option, if you go down to the bottom, you've actually got a couple of shovels available. So you've got the common shovel or the rare shovel. Now, once you've gone ahead and obtained your shovel, you can equip that like so. And basically what you want to do is just run around the area and start digging by holding the action button to interact and start collecting soil. Now, once you've collected enough soil, what you can then do is open up the build menu, and from the utility section, if you come down all the way to the bottom underneath village, you're going to see that you can build soil plots. So what you can do is build one of these soil plots, and this is where you can actually plant seeds. Now, to go ahead and actually find seeds, there's a couple of ways you can do this. What you can do is keep digging around the world, and sometimes you can actually obtain seeds from digging. However, a better way to do this is to build a grain mill. So if you actually go ahead and open up the build menu, and to build a grain mill, you actually need to have 20 knot root rod, 20 granite slabs and 3 shells. So once you've got the available resources, you can go ahead and build a grain mill, and what you can do is use this to produce seeds. So normally to produce the seeds, if you go into the grain mill, you can see that you need the appropriate items to convert into seeds. So for example, to get raspberry seeds, you need 1 raspberry, which is going to give you 2 raspberry seeds. So what you can do is obtain these from around the world, depending on what you want to grow and what kind of seeds you want to plant. In this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and collect a couple of raspberries, and then I'm just going to come back to my grain mill and put these into the grain mill to get some raspberry seeds. So what I'm going to do is interact and quickly go ahead and deposit my raspberries into here to start crafting my raspberry seeds. So here we are. As you can see, I've now got 4 raspberry seeds. So what I'm going to do is take these, and basically I'm just going to come out of here and go back to my soil plot, which is just down here. Then all you need to do is interact with the plot of soil, and this is going to open up your inventory. Next, just go ahead and select your seeds, and then press the appropriate button which says deposit stack. And what it's going to do is actually, it says it's been added to storage, but what this means, it's basically been added to the soil. So once that's been added, there's nothing you need to do further. You just need to wait, and eventually over time that's going to grow. So you can see one that I've done already here, which is with raspberries. Now once these have grown, you can go ahead and collect the raspberries. By doing it this way, of course, you have an unlimited supply of the fruit or resources. You just need to wait for them to grow again. And that is basically how to go ahead and plant seeds in Lego Fortnite. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.